From California State University, San Bernardino, it's Local Matters.
Makeup tutorials and hiking safety. Hello, I'm Jasmine Turner and welcome to Local Matters, featuring stories from across the Inland Empire.
And I'm Marco Montoya. Hiking is a fun way to spend time outdoors. From easy to advanced trails, there's a hike for everyone. But whether you're an expert or a beginner, keeping safe while out in nature is always a priority. Reporter Lily Salzwedel takes us on a trail to learn more about hiking safety.
Hiking has become popular in San Bernardino's National Forest. However, many new hikers don't know the safety procedures it takes to be a good hiker. Ranger John Rishi explains safe tips on hiking and preparation.
I think one of the main things is to know where you're going ahead of time. So make sure you do your homework on the trail. Check for local conditions. If you are going to hike in the National Forest, there are visitor information centers at every district. So just find out what district supports that trail and give them a call.
Proper clothing is a big consideration when planning a hike.
You have the proper clothing, sunscreen, sun protection, a hat if you're going out where it's really sunny, a first aid kit. If you're out in the desert, you want to have long sleeves and long pants.
Ranger John Rishi gives great insight on how to stay hydrated, as well as keeping a backup plan ready at all times.
Most everywhere you go in Southern California, you need a lot of water. Make sure you bring adequate amount of water. You also want to bring snacks with you. Bring a communication device like a cell phone, and if you have backup batteries, a charger.
Following these safety procedures will allow you to have a more enjoyable hiking experience. For Local Matters, I'm Lily Salzwedel.
Beauty gurus from around the globe have turned to making their own makeup tutorial videos to help teach and inspire others. Reporter Angelica Carrillo talks to an up-and-coming makeup artist to learn more about the benefits of using this new platform to share her love of makeup.
In today's society, social media is a huge platform used by many aspiring artists. But for some, it's more than that. It's a way to reach out to audiences, to inspire them to be themselves and to express their creativity.
People have turned to makeup as a form of inspiration by expressing themselves freely and sometimes even helping others boost their self-esteem.
What really got me going with makeup was just the way that it made you feel. It makes me really feel beautiful. It gives me that self-confidence. And I just really like to be able to help others feel the same way and just give them that boost of self-esteem.
Makeup artists have used their platform to reach out to others and inspire them to be themselves.
What I hope to get out of all this is just to inspire others to be able to be themselves and just embrace who they are and just really inspire everyone and just send positive vibes to everyone.
Although it's a competitive field, makeup artists hope to motivate others to step out of their comfort zones and not be afraid to reach their goals.
Inspiring makeup artists would be just to practice and keep on practicing. If this is something that you're really into, just go for it. Don't be afraid. There's so many other people out there doing this, but no one's going to be as unique as you. Remember, you are the only person out there.
So whether you're interested in makeup or looking to step out of your comfort zone, just remember, makeup artistry is always an option. For Local Matters, I'm Angelica Carrillo.
To keep updated on what Local Matters is doing, check out our Facebook or Instagram.
Also visit our YouTube page at Local Matters CSUSB to watch some of our other stories. I'm Jasmine Turner.
And I'm Marco Montoya. Join us next time for more local stories that matter.